Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a gamified Notion. We'll dive into transforming your workspace into an interactive experience that makes productivity fun. Imagine turning your to-do list into a quest, where every completed task earns you points and helps you level up. This approach can significantly increase your motivation and help you stay on track with your personal and professional goals, making every small victory feel more rewarding. To truly gamify your Notion, you'll want to integrate several key elements. Start by assigning specific point values to tasks. For instance, a small task might be worth 5 points, while a major project could be worth 50. Then, establish a leveling system, perhaps with 10 levels, where each level requires a certain number of points. Visual progress bars are also crucial, showing your journey towards completing a goal or reaching the next level. Setting this up in Notion is quite straightforward. You can use a number property for points and a select or multi-select property for different levels. For visual flair, a formula property can create dynamic progress bars that update automatically as you complete tasks. Consider a separate database for your rewards, linking it to your main task database. This allows you to see how your daily efforts contribute directly to unlocking exciting new achievements. To keep your gamified Notion fresh and effective, regular maintenance is key. Periodically review your point system. Perhaps after 3 months, you might adjust values to reflect new priorities. Introduce new challenges or quests every few weeks to prevent stagnation. Most importantly, personalize your rewards, make them meaningful to you, whether it's 1 hour of guilt-free gaming or a new book. Sharing your setup can also add a fun, competitive, or collaborative dimension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.